क्वालिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नीड्स की बात करते हैं तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस फॉर क्वालिटी फंक्शन should cater to activities related first, that is your planning for quality, yeah, that is your prevention, planning for quality, yeah, prevention, monitoring and control of quality, that is appraisal, C, improvement in quality, innovation changes. Then there are quality organization should be responsible for coordinate the activities of design, purchasing, engineering, production, finance, product development and service function by forming a quality committee. And it should also utilize expert from statistical process control, reliability, technical experts and other functional areas by forming task group for quality improvement. Then जो quality organization है वो should also be competent to report on quality cost, identify the problems and implement quality improvement process. It should be identify the training needs and coordinate with training function to implement quality program in the organization. That is the quality organization needs. तो पर्टिकुलर में बात करते हैं क्वालिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नीड्स की, तो इसमें हम लोग बात करेंगे कि जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है फॉर द क्वालिटी फंक्शन शुड बी कैटर, that is planning for quality, that is prevention, monitoring and control of quality, implementation, या improvement in quality, this is the innovation changes. तो जो क्वालिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो शुड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है फॉर कोऑर्डिनेटिंग एक्टिविटीज ऑफ डिज़ाइन के लिए, परचेसिंग, इंजीनियरिंग, प्रोडक्शन, फाइनेंस, प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट एंड सर्विस फंक्शन by forming a quality commitment या कमिटी, दैट इज और साथ ही साथ इट ऑल्सो हम लोग यूटिलाइज करते हैं एक्सपर्ट फ्रॉम SPC, दैट इज स्टैटिकल प्रोसेस कंट्रोल, रिलायबिलिटी, टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट्स और अदर फंक्शनल एरियाज जो बाय फॉर्मिंग अ टास्क ग्रुप या फॉर क्वालिटी improvement. And also the quality organization should also be competent to report on quality costs, identify the problems or implement quality improvement process. It should be identify the training needs and coordinate with training function or to implement quality program in the organization. Then what are the types and characteristics? So there are essentially four types of quality organization. They are the listed below. Type and characteristics. Particular, no separate quality control या inspection organizations operators perform quality checks. Supervisor has final authority. Definite inspection organization with inspection foreman who reports to production supervisor, and the production supervisor is responsible for the quality and has a final authority. And quality control organization on a level with the production, that is shop organization, it does all the quality planning in the process. Quality is a responsibility of shop, and quality control autonomous in all matters of quality and does in process inspection also. There is a there is no one best organization. It depends upon the type and volume of product manufactured in a high volume assembly operation, and where it is impossible to identify by persons causing them. It would be wise to have an autonomous quality control organization. And high precision, low volume and highly engineered product required skilled crafts workers might do better under the type 1 system. Here there is a close contact with the buyers, so need a separate quality control organization is less. So there is a no best organization. It depends upon the type and volume of product manufactured. In a high volume assembly operation, there it is impossible to identify by persons causing them. It would be wise to have an autonomous quality control organization. High precision, low volume, and highly engineered product requiring skilled craft worker might do better under the Type 1 system. Here, there is a close contact with the buyers, so the need for a separate quality control organization is lessened. So, generally, the primary objective of business will be best served if the quality control organizations perform those control activities which are necessary to assure that the customer will receive quality equal या better than the standard B specifies. In this, we discussed the rubber type. पहला है कि no separate quality control या inspection organization. Operators perform quality checks. Supervisor has a final authority. And second is a definite inspection है organization का with inspection format जो कि report करता है, who report प्रोडक्शन सुपरवाइजर को, और जो प्रोडक्शन सुपरवाइजर है वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है फॉर क्वालिटी और हैज अ फाइनल अथॉरिटी. And quality control organization on the level with the production shop organization, it does all quality planning, and also a process quality is responsible for the shop. And the fourth, that is your quality control autonomous in all matters of the quality, does in process inspection also.